Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play.
Hi everyone, Junk Journal January and Meg and Get Messy are linked below. So today is ombre, and it made me think of all of these beautiful cotton rolls and sari ribbons and things that I usually get from Which Craft Do You Do? So I literally sewed them to atlas pages. So these lovely big map pages, and I just, squiggle sewed all over them. Now what I'm thinking is really simple. I'm thinking that I'll just cut them up into bookmarks, because if you sort of look at strips across, they look really cool. And actually, I had to send Kerry photos of what I'd been playing with, and she said she saw landscapes. And I'm like, oh, actually I do too. So then I thought of all these other things I could do, but nah, I'm just going to cut a bookmark. And I'll probably, keep the rest for covers or for pages or for other things later on. So just using my scissors, cutting all the way through. I'm not worried about cutting through the stitches because I'm going to sew all around the edge of the bookmark that I cut out. This is fun. I now want to cut up more bookmarks and do all of them. I am so surprised at how effective they are and how wonderfully they turned out. So, who'd have thought? Ombre, that's what I came up with. So there you are, there it is. I just did a zigzag stitch all around it, and I thought, well, I'll chuck a hole in it and, put a little bit of ribbon on the top of it. I found that my big bite actually does chomp all the way through, so I was very happy with that. I did have a little bit of trouble putting the reinforcer through because I thought it definitely needed that, and so I had a few goes, but luckily I had these little silver pieces that I could put on the back, and then that went all the way through because it had something to grab onto. Kept falling out, so yeah, that secured it really well. So I just cut a couple of lengths of ribbon. One was seam binding and one was simply calico, and I put them through the top, and that's it. I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed. There you are. A really, really easy peasy bookmark. Love the map page on the back. And all I did off camera, as I said, was I just sewed the fabric together. And that was really easy. I just did, higgledy-piggledy all over the place sewing, rather like map contours. There you are, all finished. So take care, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow.
Love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!